Hi there, my name is Janet Ross and I'm with the Parodi Team at Realty Associates. I want to talk to you today about home selling safety. So the first thing is your home is going to go on the market and you might get text or someone come knock at your door. They might even say something like, I spoke with your agent. Do not believe this. Nobody is coming to your door unless we contact you. The second thing is we're going to make sure to access the property is very safe. We set you with a showing service, and the showing service will give access and make appointments with you of only people that are authorized to go. On your door, we're going to put a Supra. The Supra can only be opened by them, so this will keep you safe. The second thing, we ask that you go around your house and remove little things. Do you have medication on your bathroom counter? What about jewelry you took off to wash dishes? Also little things like this that can slip easily into the pocket. Just make sure those things are picked up and not lying around the house. Firearms, any kind of things like that, please put them up in a safe, locked up place so that everybody's safe. So if you're thinking about listing your home, I'd ask that you contact me. I'd love to make your personal seller's value proposition. My phone number is 281-733-1306, or you can email me at realtorjanet6@gmail.com. Again, my phone is 281-733-1306. Have a great day.